Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast that explores the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is code. It's an A2 level noun, and it means a system of signals used to represent letters or numbers in transmitting a message. So, what exactly is a code? In simple terms, it's a set of rules for converting information into another form or representation. Think of it like a secret language that only those who know the code can understand. It's used everywhere, from computers to cryptography. In everyday language, we use the word code to refer to computer programming languages like Python or Java. We also use it to describe a set of rules or principles that govern behavior, like a code of conduct. Now, let's explore some synonyms for code. One synonym is system. For instance, instead of saying this code is complex, you could say, this system is complex. Another synonym is cipher. Think of secret messages during war times. They were often written in cipher. For example, the message was written in a complex cipher. You could also use the word key. He found the key to unlock the program's code. Let's use these synonyms in a few sentences. The company follows a strict code of ethics could be the company follows a strict system of ethics. Or the spies communicated using a secret code could be the spies communicated using a secret cipher. Or the detective cracked the code becomes the detective found the key. Now, let's look at antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of code. While it's tricky to find a direct opposite, we can consider words that represent a lack of code or a lack of a defined structure. One antonym could be randomness. While code implies order, randomness implies a lack of order. For example, you wouldn't say, the drawing was created using a complex code of lines. Instead, the drawing was created with complete randomness. Another antonym is unstructured. The opposite of structured code is unstructured data. For instance, the data was completely unstructured, making it difficult to analyze. Another possible antonym is openness. The government wants to ensure openness instead of a code of silence. Let's see these antonyms in action. The computer program relied on a strict code contrasts with the computer-generated output with complete randomness. And the data was carefully organized according to a specific code contrasts with the data was completely unstructured. The phrase the company operated under a rigid code of secrecy contrasts with the company valued openness and transparency. So, how can you use code in your everyday life? Well, if you're talking about computers, you might say, I'm learning to write code in Python. If you're talking about rules of behavior, you might say, there's a certain code of conduct you must adhere to in this company. You might hear someone say, I need to decode this message, meaning they need to figure out the meaning of something that's not immediately clear. Here are some more usage examples. The code to unlock the door is 1234. The computer program is written in code. He broke the code of silence and revealed the truth. The lawyer lived by a strict code of ethics. The spies sent messages using a secret code. The security code on the door was changed yesterday. The source code for the website is available on GitHub. The genetic code contains all the information needed to build a human being. She cracked the code and won the prize. The company operated under a strict code of secrecy. He tried to decode her expression but couldn't. So, to recap, code is a system of signals used to represent information. Synonyms include system, cipher, and key. Antonyms can include randomness, unstructured, and openness. You can use code in many contexts, from computer programming to rules of conduct. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word code helpful. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is key to improving your English skills. Now, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And most importantly, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word code and share it as a comment under this video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Happy learning, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.